Kaibi, ito na ang bagong iMotor Thunders EV bikes na nilaunch last time sa EV Summit 2024 at this time, finally, nandito na sa atin at atin nang i-feature sa EV Channel PH. May fusion siya ng motorbike at ng scooter. So, dito sa taas, ka-EV, motorbike yung dating niya at dito sa baba ay, kita mo, scooter type naman. Okay, this bike has a 3,000 watts IP67 electric motor hub with a top speed of 80 kilometers per hour at ang actual ride range ito is 116 kilometers per full charge. At sa kanyang charging is 5.5 hours sa standard charging, 1 hour and 25 minutes naman kapag fast charging. May riding modes ito na Eco Standard Power Reverse at yes, may boost mode pa para sa extra hatak. And this is the iMotor Thunder, ang bagong fusion ng motor at scooter. Stay charged, drive electric!